Good afternoon, happy-go-lucky again. Wish you all a good afternoon. I'm at the Spotless Water station in Eastwood, filling all my stuff up because I'm going to do some more testing, and you're going to see what I'm going to be testing later on this next week. So I'm going to show you now how we fill all my bottles up with this DI water that I'm using all the time. So let me show you all this Spotless Water station. They're all over the country, these are. Here's all the things, look. This is all the things, this water station, look. And they're all over the country, these are, look. Spotless water, look, environmentally friendly, 24 hour, 24/7, look. Zero TDS, zero residue, industrial leading zero pure water, look. And it's dead cheap. Let me show you how to use it. It's dead cheap. I've got all my bottles ready here, look. Okay. And these are all over the country, just look them up. Spotless Water. I'm not associated to them in any way. Don't get anything for it. These bottles, you can find these. It's 10 litre AdBlue containers and they're fantastic. Wash them out and I use them then for my Spotless Water. Open yourself an account with Spotless Water and then they send you one of these fobs up. Okay? And you come up to here, do what it says, look, Spotless Water, scan your fob to get started, start with your key fob. So there you go, just turn that away for a minute while I put my thing in, yeah. There we go. There's my balance, look. 4.25 a litre, look, and I've got 28 pounds. And there we go. There's what we take, look. And then we just take it out from here. Fill up. I've got a little 2.5 litre one here. This is the first one I started with. And it comes out like crazy. I start off, I fill the screen wash on the car with it. I've already done that with one of these already. I used to stand and fill that with it. Then I wash the windscreen of the car with the wipers going. Like I say, 4p a litre, it don't matter, does it really? It's absolutely pennies. And I tell you, sometimes it's an absolute bonus day. Sometimes you come and the machine's broken and you get your water for free. I came one day, 70 odd litres of water I got for free. I mean, bonus. It's still not a lot, is it? But still bonus. But God, 28 quid's worth. It's going to last me for I don't know how long. What happens with this is you tell somebody about it, and then you get a bonus, and then you get some link to your account. I forget how much it is. It's all on the website. I forget now how much I got given. About 10 quid's worth, I think. I think I bought 10 quid, and then I got given 10 quid. I went to one of the open days, and they gave me some for one of that, and it just rolls on in a wind up. Never going to wind up using it. This is going to last me for weeks on end because you don't use it for the whole car wash, do you? But it's really fantastic stuff. You mix it with everything. Use it on your final car wash for your rinse and everything. You don't get your water spots. It's just brilliant. But you'll see what I'm going to be using this for this next week, and you'll see the benefit of it then. So it's a bit slow, this is. We're going to be doing a bit of fast forward on this. So I'm going to be quiet on this while this fills. Otherwise it's going to run. never comes out this slow. I think the filters must be ready for changing. It normally comes out a lot faster than this. Yeah. I don't know if it's gone wrong and it's just letting me have it for free. I don't know what's gone wrong with it, but it's coming out dead slow. Really slow. It don't come out this slow. Don't tell me it's having another bad day. God, we were having burgers for tea. We'll be going to McDonald's for breakfast. Crikey. I did say this would be a quick video. This was going to be a short, it'll be a longer video than the pump change on the Arva. This is the longest water change that I've ever done. I've only filled about 14 litres. Something's not right with this. This isn't right. I think you get the idea. Yeah, that'll do. Yeah. Anyway, this is how it goes. It's going to be a slow one, this, so you get the idea how it goes. It won't be like this when you come normally. This has gone wrong, this has. I'm just going to have to bear with it, unfortunately. I don't know what's happened with it. It's gone wrong, but whatever's gone wrong with it, we'll see. It's not like this normally, I promise you. So otherwise I won't be trying recommending it to you, I promise. It is coming out very slowly. It is coming out, but yeah, it's not like this normally, honestly, otherwise I wouldn't recommend it to you. But it is great stuff and it does do a great job. It saves you a lot of time. It's a lot cheaper than anywhere else. In Alfred's, this is like, I think it's about £4 for 5 litres. So this is like 16p or 20p for 5 litres. So it's really, I mean, I've filled, that's about 23, 24 litres I've filled now, so it's not that bad. I'm going to say, have a great day. Thumbs up as always. Subscribe if you don't mind. Come back for the next one. It's not a very interesting one, I know that, but you know, there's always better ones than this. There's some interesting ones coming this next week, I promise you that. You're going to be very interested in some of these coming this week. I've got some brand new stuff coming, and you are going to be interested, I promise you. I've got some new stuff, interesting stuff, and I'm hoping I'm going to test it in different ways to other people. So follow me in the week and see what there is to come. Bye for now, catch you later.